In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Sony WH-XB910N to laptop or Mac. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a Windows laptop or a Mac or even a mobile device, you will be able to wirelessly connect and use your Sony headphones. You will be able to do this over Bluetooth, so you need to make sure that Bluetooth capabilities are enabled on your device. You can do this by going over to the settings and looking for the Bluetooth category. So this example here is on a MacBook. You go to the settings and right below Wi-Fi, you will find Bluetooth. If you are doing this on a smartphone, then likewise go over to the settings and then find Bluetooth and make sure that it is toggled on. With this done, all that you have to do is put the headphones in pairing mode. So as you can see, there will be a button dedicated to this. Usually this is going to be the power button. So all that you have to do is press and hold this button for a few seconds. Usually the first time that you power it on, you will also put it into pairing mode automatically. So you will see this LED flash, usually blue, indicating that it is now in pairing mode. With this done, you can look under the list of available devices and you will be able to find the Sony headphones. So just choose the option to connect and they will remain connected on that specific device. All of the audio being output through the device will go over to the headphones and you can control its volume. It is going to remain connected until it runs out of battery. Every single audio will go to them, so if you are watching a video, playing a game, and so on, you will be able to use it. If it runs out of battery, it will automatically unplug itself, and after you charge it back up again, you will be able to establish a connection. Every single subsequent time that you power it on, it will automatically connect to the device, so you don't have to repeat this process every single time in the future. It is automatic, and all that you have to do is pair it up once under the list of available devices. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Sony WH-XB910N to laptop or Mac. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.